Hey guys, welcome back. Have you ever thought about what your dream room would look like? I know a lot of us have, but the actual task of getting out there and buying everything for a room can seem a little intimidating for some. So here I have someone who's going into college and she definitely wanted to redo her room. I looked at her Pinterest board to kind of get a sense of her style, and she's into this bohemian gypsy aesthetic, but then she loves moons, pink, and black. Being that she's a college student, we were definitely on a budget, and she had a lot of functioning furniture that I didn't want to get rid of, so I had to find a way to revamp them. Guys, for this project, I did a lot of thrifting, but I think it was all well worth it. So these are before pictures of her room, and then you'll see her reaction and the after.
And ready? 1, 2, 3. Open. Go.
I'm scared. Oh yeah.
Without a doubt, my favorite part has to be this dresser. It looks so good, guys. I used 3 different shades of pink and black for the top, and look at it, it's unrecognizable. What does your dream room look like? Comment down below, and thanks for watching. Bye!